In this lesson, I'll show you how to calculate probabilities of dependent events. Two events are said to be dependent if the occurrence of one of them has an effect on the probability of other. And that's mathematically represented right here. Let's say we have two events, A and B. We'll write down the event of A and B is equal to the probability of A times the probability of B given that A has occurred. The first question reads, you have won a free trip to Madrid and can take 2 people with you, all expenses paid. Bad news, 10 of your cousins have appeared out of nowhere and are begging you to take them. You write each cousin's name on a card, place the card in a hat and select the name. Then you select a second name without replacing the first card. If 3 of the 10 cousins speak Spanish, find the probability of selecting 2 Spanish-speaking cousins. Given what we read, we know that the probability of selecting a Spanish-speaking cousin is 3 out of 10. So P Spanish cousin is 3 out of 10. Now, given that we've already selected a Spanish-speaking cousin, the probability of selecting another Spanish-speaking cousin, given that one has been selected, so I'll write down the probability of the remaining Spanish cousins is equal to, there's 2 left, and now there's 9 cards. So what we do now is we multiply these two numbers according to the formula, and multiplying 3 over 10 with 2 over 9 gives us 6 over 90. That reduces down to 1 over 15, and we can find the percentage. 1 over 15 times 100 is exactly 6 2/3. Let's move on to question 2. 3 people are randomly selected, 1 person at a time, from 5 freshmen, 2 sophomores, and 4 juniors. Find the probability that the first 2 people selected are freshmen and the third is a junior. So there's a 5 and 5 plus 2 plus 4 is 11. There's a 5 and 11 chance that the first selection will be a freshman. In the second selection, there is a 4 and 10 chance because one person has been removed from the group and that one person happened to be the freshman. The third is the junior. There are 4 juniors and now there are 9 left. If you multiply these, you end up with your answer. 5 times 4 is 20 times 4 is 80. 90 times 11 is equal to 990. We can reduce this. 80 divided by 990 gives us 8 over 99, and multiplying that by 100, you get your percentage of 8.08 repeating. So approximately 8.1%. And there you have it. That is how to calculate probabilities of dependent events.